All right, let's get going here. Today's lesson is 2.4 equations with variables on both sides. Today's Colin, stop riding the broom around the classroom like a witch. It is not Halloween.
Fine.
Ugh. It's not funny, guys. Let's be serious about this. All right, so we're going to do a couple quick problems. We're going to add some more problems in on Monday. And the assignment that I give you today will not be due until Tuesday after break, okay? But that doesn't mean you can't finish a lot of it right now. So I think I've been pretty reasonable with my expectations as far as getting things done, yeah? I don't like giving a lot of extra homework just to give it away, although I do enjoy your suffering, so it's been real hard for me. 5 plus 7x equals 4x minus 13. And just for right now, just for this chapter, just to appease me, write that line down by the equal sign, even if you think you don't need it. After this chapter, you can totally do whatever you want. All right, now the goal, and I'm going to try to make this very clear because remember how I warned you at the beginning of class? Some people are brilliant enough just to think of the answer. Don't let that person be you anymore. Even if you are that brilliant, do the steps because it will be hard someday for you, I promise. All right, so the goal of this is to get the variables on one side and the numbers on the other. So it doesn't matter which side you get the variables on, which side the x's go on, and which side the regular numbers go on. You can pick whichever side you want. But mathematicians are lazy, which means they pick the easiest way. Okay? So let's pick the easiest way. Would you rather do 7x minus 4x or 4x minus 7x? 7 minus 4, I agree. All right, so I'm going to subtract 4x on the left and the right. Colin? Why don't you try doing your math? And it's 5 plus 3x equals, these canceled out, we got negative 13 left. And if you're like, but that's a minus 13, change it into plus a negative then if you want to. All right, now, it looks like so far I've gotten my variables on the left, but now I've got to get this number on the right side. Okay? So how do I get rid of that plus 5? Minus 5. 3x equals, what's negative 13 and a negative 5? Negative 18. And then how do you get the x by itself now? Go ahead. No, just say it. Divide by 3. So you end up with x equals negative 6. How are you feeling about this?
Great.
Get the variables on one side, the numbers on the other. Did you already remember how to do this?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so let's try right now then. Let's try another example that you can do with your partner. Let's try... I want to make sure I'm not overlapping with your homework. Hold on.
We're the best partners ever.
Yes.
We're matching.
What? Whoa.
Our Unity Day.
Did you guys call each other this morning? We're like, we're probably going to be partners in advanced math. What are you wearing?
Bro, it's Unity Day.
I
Nobody's
got,
wearing orange.
I got an orange folder.
Yeah, that's true. You are supposed to wear orange today.
Yeah.
All right, so let's try 7c plus 12 equals negative 4c plus 78. Go ahead and try this with your partner now. You decide which side you're going to get the c's on and which side you're going to get the numbers on. Decide together. Talk to each other.
This side and negative. Oh wait, no, this is 78. That's so you want to put the numbers on the side. Yeah, letters on the left. Numbers on the right. Yeah. Okay, so we'll do actually, no, it's never mind. Okay, so plus 2 go letters on the Yeah, so this was 4C, so minus 4 would be on right? 66, and that would be 2. Yep, so C
You better write the line.
So, we get to see by that.
What did you do?
Your computer just fell. I'm so sorry.
That's a good thing. Good thing.
Definitely should. No,
All right, the right answer to this problem is 6. Uh-oh, who's coming up here to,
We want to do it.
oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're ready. Wait, you're talking for. You're all right. And
Yeah, facts, bro. Yeah, we didn't add 4.
6.
We added 4 on that side, but then we didn't add 4 on that side. So that's what happened.
I feel you.
Yeah. LOL.
It's Friday, Sawyer.
That's whoopsie.
No, it is way better to call it a Wednesday, Friday, because that means that there's not just 2 days.
Okay, so,
It's also Monday, Thursday.
All right.
yeah, so now.
No, would you come over here and explain maybe by the computer so they can hear you?
Okay.
Okay.
Are we gonna do another one?
Yeah, we will. All right.
Actually, I can't point the
Wait, what am I supposed to do first?
Solve the problem.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to do.
All right.
So you have
Guys, you
to
can't have extra noise in here now.
subtract 4c on each side, which would give it,
So you guys decided to get your variables on the left.
yes.
Yeah.
Who else did that? Who decided to get the variables on the left? Okay.
11c plus 12 and 78 on the other side.
So it looks like they subtracted a
That's an
negative
8.
4c, which is
Yes.
the same thing as adding 4c.
78.
It's an 8. Okay, don't make fun of me.
Then you're going to have to subtract 12 on each side. Get
You
you
got it wrong, fix it.
66. Then you'd have to divide 11 on each side, which would get you c equals 6.
Brilliant. Nice job, you two. You want to know one or thing?
I wanna try.
Do it. All right, so next up, let's try. All right, we're gonna try just, let's see, just one more, I think. All right. This is example 3. You have a question?
No, I was bold,
Okay, hey, do you want to still sit in that chair? Because that's a very special chair to me.
yes.
Yes, stop wrecking it. It's awesome. So, yeah. You're like, oh, it'll be fine. I'm just going to ride it like a bull.
There should be the next one.
You know what? Yeah.
Chair like a bull.
All right, everybody write it down.
So why do we put that line in the middle? Does it really matter?
The only reason is so that when you do the thing where you like up here where we subtracted 5 from both sides, it's both sides of the line. And I've been teaching for a long time, and sometimes I have people who accidentally will subtract 5 here and also subtract 5 from 3x, which is the same side. After this chapter, After this chapter, I will not make you do this, if you don't want to do a line. But right now, just for those of us who need to, yeah. Just kind of to prevent you guys from making a mistake I think might happen. And at this point, really, it's just the whole process of you drawing a line really quick takes no time, so. All right, now, what's the goal of this? Yeah, to figure out what n is, but what's the first step you're going to need to do? What's up with those parentheses? Yeah? Do you remember? You could, sure. We can make this a 1n and a 1n, if that helps. Eli?
Don't you need to do the distribution?
Yes, distributive. So this is going to get distributed here and here, and this is going to get distributed here and here. The answer to this problem is going to be 1/9. And I really think at this point, if you were just to look at this, even those of us who are really brilliant probably couldn't just in our heads be like, oh, well, obviously that's 1/9. So, could you? So anyway, try this with your partner right now. Try distributing. Try to see if you can get the right answer. We'll give one more prize today.
Wait, do you keep it in parentheses after you distribute?
Nope, after you distribute, you don't need parentheses anymore.